So, you want to buy a car that exactly suits your needs. All your needs. There are thousands of cars to choose from and lots of decisions to be made. Unfortunately, dealing with pushy salesmen isn't one of those decisions you can easily avoid. With hundreds of things to consider, finding your dream car can often be just the beginning of your journey. Getting professional advice on financing your dream car can save you a lot of time and money over the life of the car. We independently compare the best prices on the market and suggest a loan suited to your personal needs, not the needs of the bank, all from the comfort of your home. We'll compare hundreds of finance packages from our panel of banks and lenders and help you choose the best package no matter what your circumstances. We can even organize you the best price on a new car using our national fleet network and bulk buying power discounts. You'll only ever deal with one professional point of contact throughout the whole process, and we'll also take care of all the tricky paperwork that comes along with buying a car to save you time and money. We take care of all the hard stuff so you can focus on other things that matter. Best of all, you're more likely to get the best deal with unbiased and independent professionals like Australian Credit and Finance on your side. Apply online today and drive away tomorrow.